We all deal with uncomfortable air farts when we douche our butts, so here's how to avoid those. It's important to first understand that the reason why we're uncomfortably farting is because we're accidentally squirting air into our butts. When you squeeze an enema bulb to put water in your butt, the first thing that's going in your butt is actually not the water in this bulb, it's actually the air that's in this tip right here. And so that's why when you douche, the first couple seconds you feel like a puff of air, ooh, it's a puff of air, and then you end up farting, and it's really uncomfortable and it's really annoying because you have to redo it, or you have to keep pushing to get the water in after the air, and it can actually hurt if you don't know what you're doing. So what you do to fix this is, if you're using a traditional enema bulb like this one, you want to make sure that you fill this up all the way with lukewarm water. Filling this up all the way will just make it a lot easier for you to squeeze the water in, and it's less air that you have to push out. The second thing is, right before this tip goes in your butt, you want to squeeze the bulb a little bit until you see some water come out, and then hold that squeeze and then put it in your butt and then squeeze, because at that point it's just water up here, you know? If you hold the squeeze when you see some water come out from the tip, you'll know that this tip doesn't have air anymore, it's just water. And at that point you can douche normally, there won't be any air that goes in your butt. If you're using the enema from my discreet premium douche kits link in bio, you don't have to fill this up all the way, because it does have a straw that pulls water from the bottom of the bulb, but it's still good to keep that habit of squeezing a little bit before it goes in your butt, because there might still be some air lingering there. So that's how you avoid farting out air. Link in bio for my bottoming course. I do have a visual douching guide.